Yeah, Samsung hardware is with the X-Cover series already rugged and also reliable. So B2B-like. In B2B use cases, our retail customers and other customers from other vertical markets sometimes require more accessories that Samsung do not have. Therefore, we certified a worldwide available partner for great accessories. Let it be RFID extension, let it be a 10-slot charging cradle and other great accessories. And as you can already see, I'm not an expert in this, so I'm here with Nick. Nick, please introduce your company and also the accessories a little bit to our audience.
Thank you, Robert. My name is Nick. I'm the marketing manager at KOAMTAC. And at KOAMTAC, we create devices suitable for just about any industry, whether you're in retail, warehousing, e-commerce, even healthcare and government operations. We have you covered. Solutions behind me, you'll see that we have some chargers. We design our chargers for the X-Cover and Tab Active series of products by Samsung. We also make barcode readers, RFID readers, MPOS readers, and wearable devices as well. Thank you very much for your time, Robert, and I wish Samsung and KOAMTAC continued success in the future.
And let's shoot some great customers for great success. Huh?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.